Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for the 27-day challenge inspiration YouTube hop. That is the mood board that I picked, and then I ended up going with like this inspiration for a layout. And this is for the summer hop. It is the Mercy Tiara's 27-day challenge inspiration YouTube hop, and that is the mood board that they picked out for the summer. And I got out the Horizon collection from Paige Evans. And the photograph that I am going, or the photographs, I should say, that I am using is from my daughter's she's turning 7 now, 6th birthday. It's been a long month, y'all. You don't understand. So if you follow my channel, and you have followed my channel for a while, we started school, and I swear this month is, y'all, my brain just is not there. But, so this is her 6th birthday, and she did have to go to school on her birthday. It was a Friday. And so I took the photographs of her, and then we did something over the weekend for her because, this mom was long-term substituting last year and not full-time teacher like this year, on the respect of I was subbing and not under contract, where now this year I'm under contract. And so I decided to find this sketch from the Hip Kit. It's actually Ashley Horton's sketch that she did for the Hip Kit, one of her layouts, and I loved how it looked. So I did this layout pretty quickly. It only took me about 45 minutes to do, and I just absolutely love the way it turned out. It went really well. And I love all of the colors. I love all of the solid with light pattern papers from Horizon for this collection, or for this, for this layout. And I do pretty much follow what she did, except I didn't do a circle. I did a square style for my two photos instead, because I just really honestly didn't want to try to get a circle made out of these two photos. It was just easier to do two and double them up like I did. Make sure that you follow everybody on this hop. We're all up and loaded. You'll get to see tons of inspiration of what we did. There's a bunch of us. Make sure that you go and subscribe and become part of the group for Mercy Tiara. Tracy Banks and all of them ladies over there, Maura, all of them are amazing. And I post all the time in there. I really love that group of ladies that are in there. They're just wonderful to work with, to chat with, to everything at this point. Like everything. I just love that group over there. And I've always been a big fan of Tracy Banks or Mercy Tiara. I just want to say I'm sorry for my voice again. I know that you guys are probably thinking, Miranda, it's a broken record. But I just want to let you know I am sorry about my voice. It's coming back, I promise you. I won't be like this all the time now. I know that I'm a little bit off camera there, and I'm sorry for that. What I'm doing down below there that you can kind of see me doing, that I should have pushed my layout up, but I just wasn't thinking at that time, is I'm adding all of my flowers to the bottom like it is in the layout. And I'm just taking a bunch of little bits of things, and then I'm using a little bit of tape to put them together, and then you'll see I do push it up and you will see what I'm doing. So right now I am doing this all off camera because I didn't pay attention at all when I did this layout, and I'm sorry. But I place all this ATG down, and then I cut it. And you'll see what I do here. I cut it so that it's flat because I did a black background that is like gingham style from Close to My Heart. It's one of their mixed in collections papers, and that'll be linked down below along with everybody else that joined us in this hop. And now I'm adding the flowers into it, and you can see how I bunched them together and just gave them a little bit of dimension, if you want to call it that, throughout this layout. In the bottom. And then I keep going through and I add things and make it work, and I just love how this turned out. I really don't have a title for this. I mean, I could have went birthday girl, I could have, 6th birthday or something like that, but really I just love how it looks. I know it's her birthday, but she's just my spunky little girl. I mean, some days when we have our bad days, because she's just like Josh and I a little bit too much. But we do really well together. I mean, she does know certainly how to push both our buttons, but she is such a good kid. And she has her moments. I am not saying that my child is 100% ooh la la, like, she's not perfect by any means, but she definitely keeps it real and easy for me to come home to every night, because the school that I work for is amazing, but and the kids are great, but attitudes flare all over the place. And I'm just glad I can come home and she's just herself. So pretty much, honestly, this is almost done. The rest of this, if I would cut this all out, we'd be done now, because I don't add much other than the splatters. So now here is all you're going to see me do is add pieces that I need to put down on this layout to make it just that little bit better. Up top, it says Wanderlust for the title there, and then I add a couple other ones, and then it's done. This was such an easy layout. That mood board is amazing. I absolutely love it. And yeah, make sure that you go check out everybody at the end, down below in the description. And I added 3 different sayings because I realized that I had one at top, one in the middle, and then one at the bottom. So it works like in that triangle factor. I didn't even realize I was trying to do a triangle, and it ended up that way. So that's pretty cool. Again, make sure that you go check everybody else out. They'll be linked down below. And I just love how this turns out. It's such just a whimsical collection. It's just gorgeous. And then I'm just pretty much looking through it, and then you'll see me come out with the splatters. And the new splatters that I absolutely love because it's yellow and not gold. And I love that reason. And it's the Spritz from Shimmer's Paints, You're the Zest. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. But I'm going to leave you with that. You're going to see me put in the rest of my little bits. And obviously the splatters will be coming up. The still shots are there. Make sure you go like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out the Mercy Tiara's group page, and also everybody that's on this hop. And I hope that you enjoy the rest of the hop. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.